I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove specific items from your TikTok search history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Profile in the menu on this screen. You'll land on your TikTok profile screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on this screen, which features 3 horizontal lines, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate down to the Content and Display section, and then tap Activity Center in this section. Step 4. Tap Search History in this list. The next screen shows you all of your TikTok search history from the last 180 days. TikTok doesn't save anything older than that. Step 5. Tap Select to make all of your search items selectable. Step 6. Tap to select the specific search items that you want to remove from your TikTok search history. Step 7. Tap Delete. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete all of your TikTok search history from the past 180 days. Step 8. Tap Delete again. Those specific items will be removed from your TikTok search history immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.